Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Sitting here in my beautiful herb bed, my orchard. What I want to talk to you about today is something weird going on with my YouTube channel. It's been going on for a couple years now, but it's getting greatly amplified right now. And I am no longer able to make a living on YouTube. I have, last I looked, 137,000 plus subscribers, but yet most of my subscribers don't get notifications anymore of uploads, so my views are down. But the odd thing that I'm seeing is if the more videos I make, the harder I work on YouTube, the less I earn. And it's weird. I've experimented through the years now a lot, and you guys have seen me vanish for up to 6 months at a time off YouTube. And here's a weird thing I've seen, a pattern. When I quit, whether it be a week or 2 weeks or a month or multiple months, when I quit, absolutely walk away for a while and take a break, my income settles to a certain amount and stays right there. Doesn't drop a bit and stays right stable and steady. If I come back to YouTube and I start making videos, you see a little surge and it comes right back to where it was. Even if I wasn't making videos, it comes right to the same level. So I've been pumping out videos full blast for 2 months now. Full blast. And, you know, I had a lot of hiccups through the time. I had a bad computer and a bad camera and a lot of issues going on. So I struggled throughout the winter months and the early spring months. And my income stayed right stable all along. Just the same as if I was making no videos the whole time. Stayed right there. So, on the one hand, that's good, that even if you walk away and take a break, the income stays and it doesn't sink, it doesn't move, it just stays. Because of all I have, well over 2,700 videos by now. Probably higher by now, I haven't looked in a long time. But all the videos of the past, I have some good videos, some hits like solar powered air conditioning is a success, and Pimp My Survival Bug Out Vehicle, how to make biomass briquette press, things like that are in the soap making series. I mean, I can go on and on. There's some good staple videos that provide my normal income throughout the whole span. But it seems that my daily videos do not earn me a single penny at all. And I'm seeing this pattern throughout years now. The harder I work, actually, the less I earn. I'm watching my income has dropped 20% in the past 2 months. How? You gotta think. I'm uploading videos every day. People are viewing the videos. On top of my main videos that have always been there forever, that always earn my income, every single day I'm popping out a video. That's gotta do something, you would think. Even if I earned $1 per video, it would be $30 a month. Instead, I'm actually watching my income sink, even now. I'm making daily videos, pumping them out almost every day. I miss a day here and there, I've got a bad knee, but other than that, I've been pumping them out constantly. And I'm actually watching my income drop. It dropped today another couple percentage points. Today, since from this morning to this evening, it has already dropped. And I'm watching it tank. The harder I work, the less it is. It is no longer sustainable for me. I don't know if anybody else out there is suffering the same, but it's no longer sustainable, and it no longer pays the bills. Nowhere near paying the bills. Like when I first started out on YouTube, I know they used to share 50% of the ad income with the content creators. I know during quite a few years back, the adpocalypse, they changed that tremendously, and they're no longer open about what we earn. I don't even know if there's any way to find out what percentage we do earn. I can tell you one thing, there's more ads than ever. I mean, massive amount of ads. There's 2 ads before the video, there's ads throughout the video, and there's 2 ads, sometimes even, my mom said there's a 49-minute ad after the video. And so the ads are increased exponentially, but yet my income is dropping. And that doesn't make sense. So it is not sustainable as an income. I am now making videos for you and for the fun of it for me. I'm going to carry on because I'm just showing what I do here every day anyway. So, you know, I might as well get out the camera while I'm homesteading anyway. It's scary though that the more I work, the less I'm going to earn. I don't like that. It really bugs me. But I mean, the income helps. It helps to have an income, an extra income, but it's no longer my primary source of income. I don't even know if it's going to become much of a secondary source if it keeps up like this. But I do enjoy making the videos now. I've got good camera equipment, good computer equipment. I got my mind cleared, and from all the, the history, all the history. So my mind is clear, and I'm having fun at it. So I'm going to carry on with it just because I want to, just because of the fun of it, and for you, the viewer. The people who have been through it all and watched all these years and stuck with me, I'm going to carry on and keep doing videos for you. And I'm going to do a lot of product reviews. Companies still reach out to me and still offer me products to review, and I love that. I love marketing. I love marketing for other people. I love doing it for me. And I enjoy it. It's a lot of fun for me, and I'm going to do that because I like it. And other than that, though, I have other sources of income that are now my primary job. Still work from home, but the videos are just for fun. That's it. That is all that there is, unless something changes. Now, there are other ways to get income, like Patreon. I'm working on Patreon again, and I'm going to be uploading all of my videos. Whatever I do is going on Patreon. Each day as I upload a video, I'll put it on there as well. Also, I'm rebuilding DIYTube. We've been under extreme, heavy DDoS attack for 7 months straight. Basically, to sum that up very simply, somebody is renting a swarm of computers to hit us constantly with video views with no minutes watched. Just hit it, go away. Hit it, go away. Open a page, go away. And they do that in such rapid succession that the server can't handle it, and the hardware can't handle it, and it just dies. It becomes useless. We're improving hardware and finally coming out the other side. The attacks are still the same level. It seems like nobody cares. It's a crime, but nobody cares. No authority in the world cares. So it is what it is. So it just makes us have to work harder to improve the system. But anyway, that's still there, and I want to continue making videos for DIYTube just as well as for YouTube, just because I've invested so much into that through the years. I want to carry on. But nope, it's not sustainable. I'd love to hear from other creators. If anybody out there is making videos and you see the same type of thing going on, maybe it's based on category or something. I don't know. Maybe it's homesteading, but there's something very, very clear. I clearly see a pattern from years now that the more I work, the less I earn. Straight up. Bottom line. The more videos I upload and the harder I work, the less I earn. I literally watch it tank day to day to day. And it just does not make sense. The math doesn't add up. It does not compute. It does not make sense. So I'm doing this for you guys. That's it. For fun and for you. So I am going to carry on. I'm going to keep making videos because I want to. So, by the way, please sign up on my Patreon page. Every dollar helps. Even $1 a month will help a lot. and I'm going to start working deals with companies. I have a massive channel. I have a lot of power there that I can use for marketing purposes. So I might start having little sponsorships in my videos, little paid sponsorship positions. I've never done it in the past, but I think it's time to start doing so and turn this more into a business and self-sustaining and less relying on YouTube income, which is just non-existent now. Well, I do want to hear from y'all. What is everybody else experiencing? What have you seen? What have you know? Or what have you heard? What do you know about the diminishing returns the more you work? Well, I'll talk to you later, guys. I want to get this out and process this video. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project. Just having fun.